Ulsan, the heart of South Korea's industry, is home to a company that leads the global plant industry with precise technology and perfect quality. That company is ULP, a leader in the production of global pressure vessels and heat exchangers. ULP is headquartered in the Ulsan Free Export Zone and is a specialized company that designs and manufactures pressure vessels, heat exchangers, and various plant equipment. Since its establishment, we have grown into a trusted brand, not only in the domestic market but also in overseas markets, through accumulated technological expertise and thorough quality management. All products are manufactured based on international standards such as ASME, ISO, and KS certification systems, and we supply plant equipment that operates perfectly even in high-temperature and high-pressure environments. The core values of ULP are accuracy, trust, and technological capability. We build trust through accuracy and design the future with technology. ULP operates a total of 4 production plants in the Ulsan area. This is the core manufacturing plant, ULP Plant 1. Located in the Ulsan Free Export Zone, this is a key production facility with an area of approximately 15,000 square meters. Here, pressure vessels, heat exchangers, and various plant equipment are manufactured. From large fabrication shops and fitting workshops to sophisticated assembly lines and high-temperature, high-pressure testing facilities, all processes are systematically organized. Additionally, through ASME-certified welding and non-destructive testing facilities, ULP guarantees world-class quality. This is ULP Plant 2, specializing in the production of large structures and modules. Located in the Hyeomundong Industrial Complex in Ulsan, Bukgu, this factory is a large manufacturing base covering approximately 20,002, specializing in the production of pressure vessels and boiler modules. Equipped with heavy-duty cranes and an automatic welding line, we have established a one-stop production system that connects all processes from manufacturing to testing, painting, and shipping in a single flow. The structures produced here are supplied to sites around the world with precise quality and stability. This is ULP Plant 3, equipped with precision instruments and special manufacturing lines. Located in the Megok Industrial Complex in Bukgu, Ulsan, it is a technology-intensive factory with an area of approximately 12,000 square meters. This place focuses on the production of precision heat exchangers and special pressure vessels. We have secured high precision and uniform quality through automated welding robots and CNC machining equipment, and it serves as a key factory for producing high, value-added products with a small but efficient production line. This is the ULP 4th factory for module production and piping assembly. Located in Nongso-dong, Bukgu, Ulsan, it has a production facility covering approximately 18,000 square meters. This is the core production plant of ULP, specializing in plant module assembly and piping fabrication. Through a test line that perfectly replicates the on-site environment, we thoroughly verify the quality of products before delivery. And by combining automation equipment with high-load structural fabrication technology, we play a central role in large-scale plant projects. ULP's technological capabilities are recognized by major domestic and international clients. From refineries to global EPC companies, ULP maintains trust-based partnerships. Major domestic clients include S-Oil, GS Caltex, SK Energy, Hyundai Oil Bank, and Samsung Engineering, while international clients include KNPC, GE Power, MHPS, UOP, Taiwan Power, and Hitachi Power Solutions. ULP operates a rigorous quality management system in accordance with ASME, ISO 9001, and KS standards, strictly managing the entire process, including non-destructive testing and hydrostatic testing. ULP's business is divided into refining, petrochemicals, and the energy and power sectors. In the petrochemical and oil sector, we manufacture pressure vessels, heat exchangers, reactors, towers and columns, and membrane skids, while in the energy and power sector, we supply steam drums and condensers. ULP designs the future of the global plant industry through continuous innovation and global collaboration. We provide trust, performance, and value to customers around the world. ULP accuracy, trust, expertise. ULP is building the foundation of the global energy industry